Guys, welcome back. It's Dave, Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. I'm here today with Tyler, and we've got a special treat for you. This is a beautiful old car, and Tyler is going to tell us all about it.
How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Coast Motor Company here in Palmetto, Florida. Today we have a 1940 Ford Deluxe Coupe. Really neat car, fat fender 40. This one, if you want to come over, I'll show you under the hood. Unlike many of them on the road today, this one still got its flathead V8. That's an early 24 stud, 239 cubic inch flathead. And you can see it's got kind of a period hot rod vibe to it. A very factory looking car, but you do have dual carburetors. You've got Offenhauser heads. Just some, light performance modifications. Nothing that couldn't be turned back if you desired, but, kind of spruced up just a tad for you.
Nice.
But, I think they're one of the best looking engines ever made. Just, mean looking. And this is kind of what started it all.
Look at that, guys. Pretty cool.
Very, very cool.
Awesome.
This color, although they call it cloud mist gray, it's kind of a green, greenish gray color. It is a factory 1940 Ford color, and I think it just really ties this car together well, especially with the body colored wheels, little poverty caps, and the wide white walls. I just think it's a neat look to the car. And this particular car, the restoration was only done a couple years ago, and it's got about 5,000 miles on it since it was done.
Nice.
We'll bring you over here. We'll show you inside. One
Wow.
of the neat details is all of this hand-done faux wood trim. Really, really cool looking. Kind of classes it up a little bit. These have a really cool Art Deco style dash and knobs anyway, gauges and everything. A very clean, nice, fresh interior.
Looks nice. Smells good. I like it.
Still a 3-speed manual, column shift.
Yep.
3 on the tree, as they call it.
Nice.
These cars have a great sound when you close the doors. They didn't skimp out on metal. And they only made the Ford cars for a few more years after this before they stopped for a while because of World War II. And you know why? Because it's probably enough metal to make a Sherman tank.
Probably.
They needed it, and that's when they started doing the woodies and things like that to try to conserve. But just a cool, sleek-looking car.
Yeah, it's got beautiful lines.
Very, very nice lines, kind of elegant looking.
Yeah. Very nice.
Really large and long car for a 2-seater or 3-seater. But,
Yeah.
Just a 2-door car. Same chassis as the sedans. And these cars were really loved by the traveling salesmen of this era because of the humongous amount of storage that was all lockable. Mm-hmm. So they got the utility of a pickup truck with the drivability of a car when they were going cross country selling their wares.
Nice. Guys, check this out. You don't see stuff like this anymore, this is like the art that went into this is a lost item today in today's cars. There's just not enough art going on, and this is a lot of artistic value here.
Again, over here, more of the same hand-done faux wood trim.
Nice.
And show them those gauges. I just think that they're really,
gotta see the gauges.
really, really cool on this car.
All right, guys, see that? Beautiful gauges. Amazing. Just really beautiful. Go down here and look around. So nice, guys. So nice. There's so much leg space in this thing. Like, I'm a pretty big...
It's a roomy car. Here, I'll show him. I'm 6'2", 200 pounds. And
he's in there. Look at that.
I've got about 8 inches of headroom. This is something you could take mama out to dinner and a movie in. And
Definitely.
Great cruising car.
Yeah, because I was going to say, I've been inside there earlier today, and yeah, I'm not that small either. So, and it's very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
That was the very
Easy
first
to get
thing
in and out of. It's not like a 60s Corvette or anything like that.
Right.
You horn yourself into, you know.
Exactly.
Get a little extra beefcake like
Right
we
on.
seem to run around here. Hot
Right
rods
on.
and dad bods. That's how we roll.
Say that one more time.
Hot rods and dad bods.
Yeah? Puff out your tummy.
I didn't eat lunch, so I'm looking a little svelte today.
He thinks he is. I don't know what Mary's been looking in, guys. But anyway, hey, if this is the first time you've landed on our channel, we greatly appreciate you being here. We hope that you will subscribe, like, share, and hit the notifications. And that's what we do this for. We want, you know, people to see what's happening here at Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida, what we have available for you. We work very hard to bring these things to you, and we really appreciate you being here to see them. The one thing I want to do is show you our sign on our building, like I always do in most videos. There's
That's the nice thing. If somebody falls in love with this car, you can go online to that website there, coastmotorco.com, and check out some more pictures and information on it. You give us a call at the 941-212-6548. We're available all the time via phone. You can email us, coastmotorco@gmail.com. We're here to answer any questions you might have. And like everything else we have here, the car is for sale. This one's listed at $49,900, which is a fraction of, I'm sure, what it costs to restore it. So give us a call. Ask us some questions. We're happy to help.
Sounds great. Guys, once again, I'm Dave, Coast Motor Company, Palmetto, Florida, showing off cars, trucks, motorcycles, airplanes, skateboards with engines, etc. Because that's what I do. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you with just one last beautiful look at this machine, timeless machine that we are offering today. Thank you so much.